Hazrat Aisha said, as long as there is something on a slave to pay, he will remain a slave. Hazrat Zaid bin Thabit said, even if a dirham is left behind. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, he is a slave whether he is alive or dead, so far as he is under any debt. Hazrat Amra, the daughter of Abdur Rahman, narrates, Barira came to Hazrat Aisha to seek her help. She said to her, if your masters wish, I will make the lump sum payment and set you free by doing so. Barira mentioned it to her masters, but they said, the right to inherit will be for us. Amra narrates, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha mentioned it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, purchase her and manumit her, for the right to inherit is for him who emancipates. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2564.